Need to declare on CNFans? Then here's a step-by-step process on how you can easily declare it. You need to start by heading over to your application CNFans or move into official website of CNFans in any of the web browser. Once you're in here, enter your login credentials and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on its homepage. Now click on DIY order right over here. It will land you on this page. You can see 3 different steps. One is fill and submit product information. Second one is pay for product and shipping. And the third step is waiting for seller to send. So first of all, you will need to fill and submit product information. Simply enter the product details as in product link, name, specification, description, and also upload the image. After that, select the quantity of the product. Once done, you need to enter the shipping cost from the seller to the CNFans warehouse. Once you have entered all the information, tap on Buy Now. After that, follow the on-screen process and it will be declared on CNFans. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.